Hi class. Today we're going to continue our study of writing a persuasive essay, an essay that will persuade someone. We're going to make an argument about something. Today we're going to be writing about a school policy or a rule that we disagree with, that we would like to change. So to do that, we are going to write a letter to either your teacher or a teacher, um, the principal or a school board member, somebody who has power to change something about the school. Now, if it's something that you think should be changed about the whole school district, you would write to your school board member. If it's something that you would like to change just about our whole school at J.J. Hill, we would write our principal. If it's something that you would like to change about our classroom, you would either write me or your teacher or maybe your fellow students. Um, before we begin, I'm just going to tell a little story. When I was a kid, I went to a school that had desks in a row. And we each had an assigned desk, and we would sit in that desk all day. Our class day was broken up into periods. In the morning, we had 1 hour for math, then 1 hour for reading, then 1 hour for writing, 1 hour for science, and 1 hour for social studies, with lunch and recess in between. Now, we would get a lesson at the beginning of each period about each subject, and the lesson usually took about 20 minutes. After that, we had 40 minutes to work on our work. Sometimes in elementary school, it was a subject that I knew really well, like math or reading or writing. And if I knew a subject really well, I might get my work done very fast. In fact, I loved to see how quickly I could finish some of the work that I had to do. Now, the problem with that is that if I finished my work in 5 or 10 minutes, I might have 30 minutes left to sit there. I couldn't leave my seat, and I couldn't choose anything else to do. My favorite game became watching the second hand go by on the clock. Sometimes I would feel like it was going very fast. Sometimes I would feel like it was going very slow. But it wasn't a very fun game to play either way. So a policy that I would like to have changed about my school is that I would like to have gotten to choose my next work to do when I was done with the first one, so that I didn't have to sit there waiting to start my science work. I would have liked to have gotten to choose, to get up and get my science work out and start that without having to wait for that period. So that's the rule that I would like to choose to write about, and maybe I would write a letter to my teacher about that rule. So I'm going to just demonstrate here how to do that in the next video.